Hello traders, welcome back to the Trading Weeks, and I hope you had a good weekend last week, and welcome to XSocio Markets Studio. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications and share to all the traders out there, as we will give you the insight on every week on the fundamentals and the technical parts. And of course, let's wrap up on what had happened last week. As we know, the American dollar stood victorious on the last Friday as the US and China agreed on the phase 1 of the trade deal. It ended the week down, however, against most major variables. And the China also announced it has suspended additional tariff on the US, meant to be implemented this Monday, while the US is expected to do the same after agreeing to long purchases of US goods. And the US Treasury Secretary said that the details about the deal would soon be released, adding that the new trade deal relationship with China will be very good for the global growth. And of course, for the pound, the UK Parliament elections, the UK Conservative victory sent the pound skyrocketing against most major rivals and correcting lower ahead of the close, but retaining substantial gains by the end of the week. And of course, on the pound, it jumps up to 2.32%, and today Boris Johnson had said there will be no trade deal on no deals on the Brexit, and it has down 1% today. And of course, on the insights on the technical parts, let's have a look on the technical parts. What we have for you on this week is, as we know, the last week the FOMC, they had keep the interest rate unchanged, and they made a clear statement that there will be no rate hike for the next year, and until the inflation increase. Of course, the dollar was down last week, as it down almost 93%, 94%, as we know that there will be no interest rate hike for the next year. And last week they already keep the rate unchanged. And of course, the technical parts, that the levels that we have to look into this week is at the 97.40 on the resistance parts, and of course it currently hovering around 97.11. all right, so this is the resistance part that we have to aware. If it's break upper, then the dollar will move higher. All right, okay, this is the technical parts that we have to look into. And of course, if it doesn't break the resistance parts, the high probability that we will still go low on the downtrend channel. All right, so this is the support. Okay, on you have to aware on the level 96.50. right, this is the support level. And of course, if it's a breakdown, or if it's break below this level, high probably it will go down towards these levels on the 95.70 on the support levels. All right, of course, this is the 4 hours charts on what it happens. Of course, this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, so it's a downtrend chart. As we know, currently US is heading lower. And let's have a look at the weekly charts. Okay, of course, I will have I'm very precise on the US dollar, as the dollars will is a correlation for all the major pair. Of course, it does break below the 50 EMA's moving average levels, right? And it has a rebound on the 100 EMA levels. Okay, so this is the levels on the weekly. So we have a look on we have a look back at the 4 hours. Okay, so this is the 4 hours. So this is the 3 levels we have to have a look. As we know, this is the resistance, the support, and the next level of support. And of course, this is the downtrend channel. All right, so for the euro dollar, as we know, the Eurozone, okay, Christine has presided over her first ECB meeting, and she kicked off her terms with optimism. Instead of criticizing the vulnerabilities in the economy, ECB President Lagarde's conscious efforts to ring the bell of optimism at the start of her term suggested that she's not as dovish whether she get tough on inflation or let prices run higher before tightening remains to be seen, but her tone, along with all the improvement in Eurozone data since the last policy meeting, suggested that she is in no rush to ease again. Let's have a look at the technical parts as I have prepared the levels to look into. Of course, this is the levels on the resistance parts at 1.12 thousands. Okay, if anything breaks above, and of course we can see it's heading towards this level. Okay, it's very clear that it's moving towards this level. And of course, if it's not going to this level, it might probably will go further down. This is the level that we have to look into, okay, on the support levels and the next support levels. And of course, it's clearly going towards above this 1.12 thousand levels. And of course, what we have on the euro for this week is of course the Eurozone PMI on Monday, and the German IO business climates, where the main indicators stood at 95 points, while the current assessment was at 97.9 points in November. So in the last release of 2019, it will show, I think, similar figures. And of course, that's about it for the euro on this week. And please, okay, this is the levels that I have prepared. And for the pound dollar, let's have a look at the pound dollar. So okay, it's a uptrend channel. Of course, we see that it drops almost 370 points, 370 pips up to today. The pound dollar, it jumps as high as 2.32%, and of course it retreat back to the level last week. And of course, it already inside these channels, and it already touched on the lowest support, 1.31500. Okay, this is the support, and I'm expecting that it will if it's break lower, so most high probably that it will go through the below channel. Okay, so sorry, so if it's break below this channel, this support, high probably it will go lower on the retracement level. All right. Of course, this is the level that we have to cautious. Okay, and it still haven't break the support, the second support level. So for the dollar yen, let's have a look at the dollar yen. Okay, so we have the Japanese rate decision for this week on the Thursday, as we expect that the Bank of Japan will left the interest rate unchanged at minus 0.1%. or it's already been several years. And of course, we will expect BOJ to leave the rate unchanged for the last meeting of this year. And of course, let's have a look at the technical levels. All right, this is the levels. Okay, we saw a jumps on the dollar last week on the tweets from Donald Trump. Okay, so it jumps almost 115 pips on the last week, and it's still hovering around 109.598. okay, for today. Okay, so what we will expect on the technical level for the dollar yen. Okay, so either it will go down below this support 109.300. okay, if let's say it's a break below this support level, so probably it will go further down to the next support level at 108.600. all right, this is the levels that we have to look into. And of course, if it's doesn't break the support, it might probably it will go upper. Okay, so we will expect it will touch on the 110 level. Okay, the resistance level. Okay, this is at the resistance level. Okay, so this is for the dollar yen. So this is at the level that we have to look into. And what we will have is the next on the Aussie dollar. Okay, we have the Aussie dollar for you. So this is the level for the Aussie dollar. So we currently see that it has break the support at 0.68550. Okay, this is the support. It already breaks. Most high probably that it will go lower to the lower lines at this level. The next level that we have to look into at 0.68250. All right. Okay, so this is at the level that if it does not go through to the support level, most probably it will go back to the resistance level. All right. This is the resistance level that we have to look into at 0.69000. Okay, so this is the level for the Aussie dollar, and we have the loonie. Okay, dollar loonie. Let's have a look at the dollar loonie. So we saw a break on the support level this week, but it will retest on the support level, and the next support level was on the 1.31150. Okay, it has break, but it rebounds on the support level, and it's already entering into the channel. So what we will expect from this trade, the next level that we have to look into is the resistance level at this level. Right, it's at 1.32150. So this is the next resistance level. So for the loonie, dollar loonie, it's already currently the price is inside the channel, on the downtrend channel. But what we can expect, probably maybe it will go to retest on the support level and rebounds and go up further to the next on the resistance level. All right, so of course the loonie is because of the bullish of the oil, as the intraday bounce in crude oil prices, now back near the $60 per barrel, provided an additional boost to the commodity linked currencies. So loonie and further corroborated to the pair's downfall to the lowest level since November 6. It's now be very interesting to see if the pair is able to find any support at the low levels, or the ongoing slight markets of fresh bearish breakdowns amid absent relevant market moving economic release either from the US or the Canada. The next pair that we will have is on the Swissy. Okay, dollar Swiss franc. We have the dollar Swiss. So alright, so these are the level that I have prepared earlier, but it seems that it has break below this support level, and of course is going towards the next support level is at look. So we are expecting that it will go lower to this level. All right, this is the next support level that we will have a look. So the next support level would be at 0.97650. Okay, if it's failed to retest on this level, it might bring back to the channel on the inside the channel, and the next level that we have to aware is at the resistance level. All right, it's at 0.98800. all right, this is the level that we have to aware on this week. So I think guys, these are the few pairs that I provided you, and of course please mark down the levels, all right, the support level and the resistance level, as this is a very important levels that it will help you in the trading for this week. So I think that's all for today. And of course, please subscribe to our channel. As please be aware that there will be a very thin liquidity, as many traders will have left for their Christmas holiday next week. So okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you.